All right, in this video, we'll talk about the repo contains file filter. And what this essentially means is let me search through my repos that contains a specific file. A use case for this would be to say, like, if legal was looking at the repositories that we have and said, hey, which ones do we have a license file in? And let's say we wanted to give a list to our legal team because they're looking through and ensuring legal compliance. We have our search. Next is to add the repo contains file filter. And we can do that with repo, : and you can see down here, there's all these predicates that help us out. I'm going to write has. And notice it auto-completes here, has path, has file, has meta, topic, content, and we want the file one. You can do path, you can do content. I'm just going to write in here license. And I'll press enter there. Oh, and let's remove this path change log right here. So now we're searching for all of the repositories that have the debug package, but also have a license file. And if I click here into Chrome Lighthouse, let me go open up the files right here. There should be a license right there. Let me go back. And now, if we want to create a list for our legal team, they don't need to really see all this code. We can just select, and here we can select file, repo, content. I want the repo. Press enter to do that search. And now it creates a list of just the repo with all of these filters enabled. And you can hear Doorbot, API node. And then from here, I'm in our experimental brand new view, so this hasn't been implemented there yet. If you just toggle that off, you can see this actions button right here, and you can export results to a CSV file. And I know this is a lot of files, so you could probably narrow it down by context and maybe your company's repositories. So we can export this as a CSV, just hand that off to the legal team, and that'll help them check out what they need to. With that repo has search filter, you can actually search for a lot of things. Let me delete that and go look at what our autocompletes give us. Has topic, has content description, has commit after, which we've seen in a previous video. Use any of those to search for exactly what you need when you are looking for marker. Use any of those to search for exactly what you need, and then feel free to export as a CSV if you need those results.